Hey guys, this is R.V.C and I'm back again with another video. This is the Tecno Camon CM. This phone is not available in the US and Europe. If you are in any of the regions mentioned, then this is not for you. But let's see what the phone packs. At the back of the packaging, we have some specifications. We have a 5.7-inch HD Plus screen with 18:9 aspect ratio. It runs on Android 7.0 with 2 GB of RAM and the processor, which is a quad-core, clocked at 1.3 GHz. It's definitely a mid-ranger. You can pause the video if you want to read all the specifications. Inside the package, you'll get the phone. It actually feels light and it's not really that big. It's plastic build, by the way. Let's put that aside and see what other accessories we get. A warranty card is included, SIM ejector tool, some user manuals, and a TPU back cover. A white micro USB cable for charging the device. A pair of white earphones with Tecno branding. Finally, a wall charger comes in the packaging, and that's pretty much it. Let's jump to the phone. At the front of the phone we have a 13-megapixel camera, an earpiece for receiving phone calls, and an LED flash for taking selfies in low light. The 5.7-inch HD Plus screen is really bright, colors are vivid, and it produces sharp text. At the bottom of the phone, we have a microphone for phone calls, a micro USB port, and a single speaker grill. At the top, we have a 3.5mm port for media consumption. One of the side, we have a power button and volume up and down keys. The other side, we have one tray that takes 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card. At the back of the phone we have a 13-megapixel, a fingerprint scanner, and a quad LED flash. Yes, 4 LEDs. The overall performance is okay, it feels snappy and applications open fast. I really doubt if it can handle heavy games since it packs MediaTek MT6737 chipset with Mali T720 GPU. Anyway, it's a mid-range smartphone with awesome display and design build, period. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.